Maayong hapon Pagadianon, maayong hapon mga ka-asenso. Live kita karon din sa Pagadian City Gym. Our first game for this afternoon sa Asenso Barangay Cup, played within Barangay Alegria and Barangay Dampalan. First quarter mga ka-asenso, and number 10 lays it up for 2 points for Barangay Alegria, Bongolo. And Banloy now guarded by 2 defenders. Inside pass to number 20, fakes. And intercepted by number 23 of Barangay Alegria. And now Gilingan, the baseline jumper, no good. Tinapik ni number 6 of Barangay Alegria. Nakuha pa rin ni number 6, Aviola. And pass now to Bangloy. Bangloy jumps, pass to Aviola. The floater, ayaw pa rin pumasok. Rebounded by number 3. The long pass to Bongolo at ipinasa sa kanyang kapape with number 11 of Barangay Alegria for 2 points. 8 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Banloy to number 8. Back to Banloy, guarded by number 10. And it's a steal by number 11. Again, an easy 2. Ayaw pumasok. Rebounded by Bangolo. Tinapik kay Egin, and again cleans up the mess. Number 6 now, Aviola. To number 15. Almost a steal, and it's still stolen by number 11, pero may foul na itinawag against number 6 of Barangay Dampalan. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lamang ng 6 ang Barangay Dampalan. Again, crosses over against number 8. Hindi tumuloy. Pass to Flores, inside to Bongolo. And Bongolo now for 2. What a nice pass from number 23. Number 4 now, the floater. And finally, Barangay Dampalan scores for 2 points. Now the long pass to Bongolo. Bongolo. Another easy layup for Bongolo. Banloy to number 15 for 3. No good. Rebounded by Banloy. Banloy, the low post. Inside pass to number 6. At tumapak, lumagpas sa linya si number 6 ng Barangay Dampalan. Wants to extend the court, and a turnover committed by Barangay Alegria. Aviola extends his feet under the baseline and commits a turnover earlier. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lamang pa rin ng Barangay Dampalan. Katag now, crossover to Banlao. Banloy fakes, di umabot. Rebounded by number 6. And a bullet pass to Egin. Egin, another easy layup. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. And again, Egin cleans up his own mess with a rebound coming from Bongolo. Aviola against the big man. Hindi nakatuloy. And tapi ka ng bola with number 6 naman. Nakukuha naman ng rebound. A long pass to Egin. Egin fakes. Egin scores. What a play by Egin of Barangay Alegria. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. And a steal again by Egin. Nakuha ni number 23 to Bongolo. Bongolo, pinasa kay number 7. And an easy score. What an unselfish play by Alegria. Bangkoyan scores with the assist from Bongolo. Maganda ang team play na ipinapakita ng Barangay Alegria. And now Banloy for 3. Hindi pumasok. Now Bongolo, the long pass to Bongolo. Fast break. And Bongolo scores. And with that, Barangay Dampalan takes a timeout. with an awesome performance and teamwork from Barangay Alegria. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Alegria sa fast break points, mga ka-asenso. And for sure, hindi papatalo ang Barangay Dampalan since it's still 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining in our first quarter. And now back to the ball game, mga ka-asenso. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Banloy, the turnaround cross, pero ayaw. Lumusot. Igin again for the fast break points. Still lamang na lamang talaga sa fast break points ang Barangay Alegria. Hinakot ni Igin ang puntos. Banloy, the no-look pass inside. Sa ilalim ng basket. Ayaw pa rin. And Aviola stepping on the line, commits a turnover. Bangkuyan mintis ang kanyang layup and commits a turnover for Barangay Alegria. Banloy, the floater, last 2 minutes of the first quarter. Rebounded by number 20, tapping ng bola sa taas. The fade away. Nakuha na number 6 ang bola. And a pass break to Bongolo. And now Bongolo scores for an easy 2. Ang ganda ng tandem ni Bongolo at ni Igin sa kanilang court. Maganda rin ang pasa galing sa ilalim ng basket for fast break points ng Barangay Alegria. And a substitution now. Ayun, pinalabas na ang leading scorer na si Igin. Mga ka-asenso, 1 minute and 31 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Bongolo now inside to Bangkuyan. Pero nakuha. And number 23 saves the ball from a turnover. Bangkuyan for 3. And no good. Rebounded by number 8. Pass it to number 20. And number 20 lost the ball to Flores. Inside to Yun. Maganda ang mga pasa sa ilalim ng Barangay Alegria. Now Banloy against Katag for 3. Ayaw pumasok. And last touch. .40 seconds remaining in the first quarter, mga ka-asenso. Lamang ang Barangay Dampalan with 22 points ang lakalamangan ng Barangay Dampalan. 2-24 ang score. Montañez to Bangkoyan. Bangkoyan against Banloy. Bangkoyan to Montañez. And Montañez lost the ball, commits a turnover for Barangay Alegria. And now the ball goes back to the orange shirts, Barangay Dampalan, with 21 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Banloy itinira, malayo pa ang oras. Ayaw pumasok. And now Flores has the ball with 8 seconds to go. Flores, and easy layup, coast to coast by Flores. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-asenso. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Alegria sa score. 2-26. And that first quarter mga ka-Asenso is brought to you by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balaleng Fernandez. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating live streaming, hello sa inyo lahat dyan. Shoutouts to lahat ng mga Pagadianon. Don't forget to like and share our live stream for wider coverage, mga ka-Asenso.
Sir, bawal magkuha. Manilaw rin ka rin ba player? Anong player manilaw rin?
And welcome back mga ka-Asenso sa ating first game for this day. Barangay Alegria versus Barangay Dampalan for our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. And now the fresh faces for this quarter for both teams. And the ball still remain in Barangay Alegria. Malalay to number 17 and committed the turnover. And now number 19 gets the rebound. Long pass to Dablo. Dablo inside to number 16. Guarded by number 12. Nakuha ni number 18, 13. At may kasama pang foul. Two to 28 ang score natin mga ka-Asenso. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Alegria for this ball game. And Malalay, his free throw does not count due to entering the zone violation. And now the ball goes to Barangay Dampalan with 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. And a double dribble. A double dribble violation committed by number 9 of Barangay Alegria. Barangay Dampalan, rather. And now Malalay to Katakutan. Katakutan to number 18. Back to Malalay. To number 16. A no-look pass for number 9. Mintis ang tira. And now Dablo has the rebound. Dablo heavily guarded. Pass to Malalay. Malalay commits a traveling violation. And a turnover by Malalay. To Katiag. Katiag inside to number 7. Number 7 bump. Gilingan. Number 7 comes up short. Rebounded by number 9. And a long pass to number 16. And it's a steal by number 7 of Barangay Dampalan. And now, kakataon ng bumawi ng Barangay Dampalan. But there's a foul called against number 12. Foul number 13. Number 13.
Correction, foul number 13.
Ayun, foul number 13 pala. Tilid. And his first throw missed. Hindi pa rin pinapanigan ng panahon ang Barangay Dampalan to recover. And another violation committed by number 12 for entering to zone. Albo now. Albo crosses over against two defender. The no-look pass with the baseline jumper for his teammate, number 18. Wala. Tapikan ng bola. Agawan ng bola for the rebound. And number 9 gets the ball. Pass again to number 18. Again, a side baseline jumper. Ayun, pumasok. Number 12 down to Gilingan. Giligan against. And another turnover committed by Barangay Dampalan. Sayang, it's time na babawi sana ang Barangay Dampalan, but di pa rin pumapabor ang panahon. They committed too many turnover. And number 18 fakes, number 18 jumps, and number 18 scores for Barangay Alegria. Six minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Another turnover for Barangay Dampalan. Five minutes remaining now in the second quarter. Albo. Albo to Malalay. Malalay. Pero may kinuhang foul against number 7, Gilingan, ang Barangay Dampalan. Albo now, driving, and in and out. Agawan ng bola sa ilalim with number 19. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Rebounded by number 7, Gilingan of Barangay Dampalan with 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Gilingan against number 16. Gilingan driving inside. Pinasa kay Banloy. Banloy, the jumper. Ayaw pa rin talaga pumasok ng mga tira ng Barangay Dampalan. And now back to Banloy. And it's a steal by number 9. And now to Malala, it's 3 against 1. The jumper and the steal by Katiag. Sayang, it's a 3 against 1. And now to number 7, Gilingan. Driving. Tiningnan pa ang kalaban with pass to number 4. Number 4 outside to number 9. And back to number 7, block by number 19. Ang ganda ng tapa na yun. And there's a shot clock violation for Barangay Dampalan, and another turnover committed by Barangay Dampalan. Sayang, maganda na sana ang team play nila. Kaso kinapos sa oras ang Barangay Dampalan. Three minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Albo now driving inside. Pinasa kay Malalay, and Malalay for an easy 2. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter, mga ka-asenso. Banloy now. Banloy jumper. Inabot ng tapal si Banloy. And now number 16, libreng-libre for an easy 2 layup by Albo. Oh, a steal. Now back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. A long pass inside. Pero nakuha ng Barangay Alegria. Now number 14 na long pass. Uy, kamuntikan ang pumasok. Ang kanyang pasa. Gamay na lang yung kulang. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Number 22. Bacante for 3. Comes up short. Rebounded by Malalay. Malalay now. The pass to Albo. And Albo now scores for an easy 2. Number 17 to Banloy. Banloy. Oops. Natapik ni number 9. And now Malalay hindi tumingin. Pinasa balik kay Malalay. And Malalay for 2. Naks ayaw pang tingnan ni Albo si Malalay sa pagpasa. And now Nuena to Banloy. Banloy inside to Gilingan. And Gilingan again commits a turnover. Stepping on the line. Gilingan. Sayang, ang daming turnover na na-commit ang Barangay Dampalan. Pagkakataon na sana nilang bumawi mga ka-asenso, but hindi pa rin pumapabor ang panahon sa kanila because of the turnovers. Balase now to number 12. Number 12 inside to Malalay. Malalay fakes. Pass to Katakutan, number 19. And there's a foul committed against Barangay Dampalan. Katakutan. Katakutan driving. And nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. It's 2 against 3. An inside pass to Nuena. Nuena to Banloy. Banloy fakes. Banloy ayaw pa rin talaga pumasok. Rebounded by number 19. The fadeaway jumper. And no good. Rebounded by Katakutan. And now Katakutan now to number 16. 13 Malalay. An easy 2 layup by Malalay. Palayo ng palayo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Alegria mga kasenso with 24 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Now Banloy fakes for 3. Banloy driving. Fakes the pass. Pass to Baliwag. And di pa rin umabot si number 19. Number 13 now. Outside to number 19. And there's a 3-second violation committed against Barangay Dampalan. And that's the end of our first half mga ka-asenso. 2-42 ang score natin mga ka-asenso. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Alegria for this ball game. And now back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso. Third quarter between Barangay Dampalan and Barangay Alegria. Banloy now fakes. Oh. Kinapos. And number 6 steals the ball. Gilingan to Banloy. Banloy pagkakataon ng bumawi. Yes! At sa wakas mga ka-Asenso nakascore na rin ang Barangay Dampalan. Plata fakes. No good. Rebounded by number 5 and number 5 follows. And now Plata has the ball to number 7. 17 to number 23. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Tapikan ng bola sa ilalim ng basket. And there's a violation committed by number 23. A turnover. And now Banloy against number 14 Balase. Pass to number 10. Number 10 Bacante for 3. No good. And now Balase. It's 2 against 2. Balase, ipinasa. Steal. Pero may foul na itinawag against Barangay Dampalan.
Foul number 10. First personal foul number 10. First team foul.
Number 12. Whoa, a steal by number 20. Ang galing ng steal na yun. And now number 10 has the ball. Pass to Banloy. Banloy against number 14. Wow, binali. Sayang, di pumasok. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola against Plata. Fades away. And there's an offensive foul committed by number 10 as he fades away to shoot for the basket. However, it committed and turned into a turnover. Now Balase. Balase, long pass inside to Plata. Balata, binangga ni number 6. 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. What a nice pass from number 5 to number 12 of Barangay Alegria. And now Banloy against Plata. Maganda ang depensa ni Plata but still nakalusot si Banloy. And inside to Gilingan. Gilingan scores at may kasamang foul. Yon, unti-unti nang bumabangon ang Barangay Dampalan. Gilingan. His bonus throw. Cannot convert but rebounded pa rin ng Barangay Dampalan na outside to Banloy. Banloy against number 14. Banloy fakes. Oh, it's a steal by number 17. Pangiting-ngiti si number 17. Umambak. And umambak. Hindi umabot ang kanyang layup. Katiag now to number 7 Gilingan. Gilingan against 2 defenders. Pass to number 20. And number 20 converts from the pass from Gilingan. 6 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Tapikan ang bola sa taas. Baliton and rebounded by number 20. And now, Gilingan has the ball. A chance para bumawi. 4 against 2. Gilingan lays it up. And Gilingan converts for 2 points. Now, the fast break to Plata. Hindi inabot ni Plata ang pasa. And committed a turnover. Bola na naman ngayon sa Barangay Dampalan. Four minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Banloy, slow motion dribbling. Tinira ng 3. Mintes, rebounded by Umambak. Umambak gusto sana mag-fast break and now na-steal ni number 20. Number 20 na to Banloy against 21. Back to Gilingan. Gilingan driving. And there's a foul committed against Barangay Alegria. Number 17, umambak. Dili maparog ni Gilingan ang pader sa Barangay Alegria. And now inside to number 20. The ball remains to Barangay Dampalan.
10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
A three-pointer cannot convert. Flores to number 10. Di pumasok ang tira. Rebounded by number 21. No look pass inside to number 10. Binale comes up short. Rebounded by number 21. But there's a foul against Barangay Dampalan, number 4.
Substitution.
3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 10-44 ang score mga ka-Asenso. Lamang ang Barangay Alegria. And now as number 21 shoots his free throw, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our league convener of the first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup, Honorable Lance Co, and spearheaded by Mayor Samico. Thank you very much for this opportunity to showcase the talents of the basketball players of all the barangays in Pagadian City. And now back to the ball game with 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Number 22 now. Oh, nakuha ng Green ang bola. The long pass to number 21 pero hindi nakuha ni number 21. That resulted to a turnover against Barangay Alegria. Banloy to number 15. Fakes the pass. Katiag. Oh! Sayang, walang tao. Magandang pasa sana yon from Katiag. Pero walang tao sa pwesto na yon. Under the baseline, under basket. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Bongolo. Bongolo. And the ball remains to the green shirts, Barangay Alegria. Flores. Flores and steal by Banloy. Banloy, tinamaan ang kakampi sa bola. It resulted to a turnover against Barangay Dampalan. Bongolo now. Whoa, inside. Wow, magandang pasa from Bongolo. And Flores catches the ball. Bongolo now. 4 against 2. Bongolo. Easy layup by Bongolo. Palayo ng palayo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Alegria. Nuena to number 8. Fakes. Shoots. No good. Rebound. Fades away. Ayaw pa rin talaga pumasok. Bongolo. 3 against 3. Bongolo to number 5. Inside. Baseline jumper by Baliton. Wala na po sa 1 minuto ang natitirang oras for the third quarter. Katiag fakes the 3. Katiag for 3. No good. Rebounded by Flores to Montañez to Bongolo. What a nice team play by Barangay Alegria. Gilingan. Oh, natapik. To Nuena. Pass to Gilingan. Gilingan fakes. Gilingan and again. Fakes again. Fades away. But there's a traveling violation committed by Gilingan. Five seconds remaining. Bongolo for 3. And that's the end of our third quarter for this afternoon, mga ka-Asenso. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Alegria sa larong ito with 10-52 ang score. And now back to the ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Fourth and final quarter. Albo. Anong nangyari? And Albo shoots the ball. Doong inside Doong. Yes, by Doong. Balase. Balase now against Doong. Magandang depensa ni Doong. And Barangay Alegria commits a turnover. Balawag. Balawag to number 10 for 3. No good, rebound by number 16. And now Albo. Albo, an easy layup by Albo. Wow, what a steal by Egin. And again, gustong tapusin ang laban. Egin lays it up. No good. Rebounded by Albo. Albo outside pass to Balase. Balase to Albo. And Albo committed a traveling violation. Mansandes. And Mansandes. Dili pud palupig si Mansandes. Mo travel pud siya. Now back to the ball game with 8 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Igin. Igin to Balase. Balase the floater. Balase. And Balase scores. Number 15, Katiag. Katiag for 3. Comes up short. Rebounded by number 8. Under the baseline. No good. Balase. The long pass to Albo. Albo hindi pumasok ang tira. Rebounded by number 4 of Barangay Dampalan. Number 4, Banloy. And last touch committed by Barangay Alegria. Banloy for 3. Short. And now Malalay to Albo. Malalay. Back to Malalay. Comes up short again. Rebounded by number 8. Sumobra ang pagka-unselfish ng Barangay Alegria. And wow! By Banloy pero hindi pa rin pumasok. Egin. Egin for 3. Gustong kumuha ng foul pero hindi. Natawagan. And now inside to Malalay. And Malalay commits a turnover for Barangay Alegria. Katiag. Inside to number 8. Fakes. And there's a foul there mga ka-Asenso with 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Again now to Albo. Bakante si Albo. The lefty. No good. Rebounded by Balase. Balase against 3 defenders. Inagawa ng bola si Balase. And it's a steal by number 8 of Barangay Dampalan. Katiag now. What a turnaround. Ipinasa kay number 13. Number 13. Nakakuha ng foul against number 17 of Barangay Alegria. Hindi pa rin nila magiba ang pader ng Barangay Alegria. However, Umambak commits a blocking foul. And number 4 now to number 8, back to Banloy. To Katiag. Katiag, bakante for 3. Wala. Rebounded by number 8. Pass to Banloy. Banloy, the no-look pass to Tilid. Agawan ng bola sa ilalim. And nakuha ni Umambak. Umambak to Malalay. Malalay to Katakutan. Ayaw pa rin. Number 16, Albo. Kamuntika ng mastil number 12. Albo crosses over. Fakes! And ang ganda ng fake ni Albo. That converts a 2-point play. Ang ganda ng fake na yon. Banloy biglang itinira ng 3. Rebounded by number 22. Outside to number 28. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Rebounded ni Malalay. With 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Albo to Umambak. Umambak. Boom! Yes, sir, by Umambak. Banloy to Nuena. Nuena against 2 defenders. Back to Banloy. Banloy, the turnaround. And there's a traveling violation committed by Banloy. Albo. Albo inside to Umbak. Fakes. And there's a steal by Barangay Dampalan. Now, Banloy. Long pass inside to number 22, Nuena. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Rebound by number 8. Ayaw pa rin. Gets his own rebound. Comes up short. Ayaw pa rin. Nakuha ni Nuena. And block by number 19. But there's a foul against number 19 of Barangay Alegria. 3 minuto na lamang po ang natitira sa ating fourth and final quarter of this ball game, with 12-58 ang score. Umambak. Pero may foul. Albo. Balik kay Albo ang bola. Fakes. Traveling violation committed by Albo. Banloy for 3. And Banloy, kumonekta na ang 3 points ni Banloy with last 2 minutes of the fourth and final quarter. Albo, binangga si Banloy. And Albo scores against Banloy. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining. Banloy fakes to number 10, Doong for 3. Air ball. And now a timeout by Barangay Alegria. Mga ka-Asenso, maayong hapon diha sa inyong tanan. This first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup is brought to you by the City Government of Pagadian, headed by Mayor Samico, together with our league convener, Honorable Lance Ko, together with Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balileng Fernandez, Councilor Sam Tayraco, Councilor Dicky Fernandez, Councilor Marjorie Revelocero, Councilor Jigger Ariosa, Councilor Dodong Duterte, and Councilor Idol Jun Bahamunde.
Sabi lang ba? Tuloy kayo.
1 minute and 31 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Montañez to number 10. Pero may foul na itinawag against number 13 of Barangay Dampalan, si Gilingan. Bonggolo, first throw missed. And The 2 free throw is missed. Wow, what a nice pass by Bongolo to Umambak pero hindi kumonekta. The fade away by number 21. Air ball. Bongolo, magandang depensa and a steal by Umambak to Bongolo and Bongolo connects. .56 seconds remaining in fourth and final quarter. Balawag crosses over against Tablo. Balawag to number 12. Number 12. Baseline jumper, no good. Wow, ang ganda ng rebound ni Umambak. Umambak, the long pass to Bongolo to Dablo, and Dablo scores with the assist from Bongolo. 30 seconds remaining. Balawag tries to cross. Pass to number 12, almost a steal. Inside to number 19, Balawag. Hindi pa rin talaga makakonekta ang mga shoot at mga tira nila. Barangay, Dapalan. And now Dablo. Ayaw pa rin. Agawan ng bola. And that's the end of our regulation for this afternoon, mga ka-Asenso. Final score, Barangay Dampalan 15, Barangay Alegria 64. Congratulations.